Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. In this video today, we're going to be talking about United States naturalization, so naturalization to U.S. citizenship, in the specific context of the U.S. marriage visa. And specifically what we're talking about here is how naturalization categorically changes the nature of the petition for a marriage visa compared to lawful permanent residence. So what are we talking about? Well, let's say you're a lawful permanent resident in the United States. You wish to marry your foreign spouse, or you wish to bring your foreign spouse to the United States. Presumably you're already married. Okay, so you file the petition, and it's going to fall into a preference category, fairly high preference category, but preference category nonetheless. And as a result of falling in that preference category, it's going to take a little longer to process the case, as a visa number has to be granted. And this is going to take longer when compared to an American citizen married to a foreign spouse, because the lawful permanent resident doesn't have the same sort of benefits with respect to the immigration system as does an American citizen. But let's say that individual, while the U.S. marriage visa case is processing, let's say that individual naturalizes to U.S. citizenship. Well, bada boom, bada bing, that individual now is a U.S. citizen, and that information can be conveyed to the authorities concerned, and as a result, it will speed up the processing time of the underlying U.S. marriage visa case. Basically, the case moves up out of a preference category and just becomes the immediate relative of an American citizen. And that's a pretty fundamentally different thing compared to the preference categories. This is one of those situations where you truly see the fundamental benefits of United States citizenship. So that's what happens if the case is already processing. In some circumstances, especially where an individual is just right on the cusp of finishing the naturalization process, I'll often say, let's just go ahead and file it including the naturalization documentation, so as to just sort of, for like, expedite's the wrong word, but put you on the best footing at the time of filing, as opposed to doing it mid-filing, which will likely result in more delay compared to just getting it in up front. But again, that's going to depend on a case-by-case analysis of circumstances based on the given circumstances of a couple's given situation. And for that reason, I think it's a good idea to consult professional advice, or seek professional advice with respect to processing a case such as this, especially where naturalization may be in the offing, as one's citizenship or non-citizenship status can have a significant bearing on the timing of a U.S. marriage visa case.